Welcome back, guys. Thank you for tuning into another video. My name is Devin with Only Offroad, and today is a video that I've been waiting to do for a very long time, which I'm gonna do a walk around of my 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ. So stay tuned. Alright, so to get started, what we're going to do is I'm going to read off my rev kit and basically keep everything organized, as there's been so much that I've done, different parts, different names. I'm going to go ahead and just use that and kind of keep this video flowing neatly. But just to tell you a little bit of background about my Jeep, it's a 99 Jeep Cherokee XJ. I bought it about 4 years ago, and I've done a lot to it, as you can see. So when I first got it, it was 3 inches of lift with 31-inch tires, and it had a roughly 165,000 miles. And today, in its current state, as we'll get into it, but it's sitting on 6 inches of lift, 35s, and it has 212,000 miles on it. But like I said, we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and go through the rev kit categories. So first off is the engine bay. So the rev kit will be listed down in the description below. Please go ahead and click on that. Give me a thumbs up or like. But anyway, let's go ahead and hop into it. So as you can see, it's a straight 6 Jeep 4.0. Like I said, it's got about 212,000 miles on it. There's been a lot of upgrades done into the engine bay. So we'll go ahead and start it off. Probably, your main big thing is you see the cold air intake. It's a spec tray, Amazon special. That's pretty good. We have rough country multiple light controller. The 6-switch panel for inside of the Jeep makes everything so easy to wire. We have K suspension 12-port fuel injectors. We have K suspension 2-gauge wires throughout the whole engine bay. We are running the heat shield. We have upgraded header, Felpro gaskets. Besides that, it's pretty much stock under here, but other than that, it's been doing great for me, and I'm hoping to last me for a little while longer, and then we'll see about an engine swap down the line. All right, so we'll go ahead and start up with the front. As you can see, the front bumper, which is a tough stuff Jeep Cherokee XJ front bumper with like the sinking winch mounting. We have a Harbor Freight 12,000 pound Badlands winch running their steel line. We have a 12-inch LED light bar up front. Our markers for our side markers are tinted. We are running Trail-Logic heavy duty crossover steering. We are running a rough country heavy duty forged track bar. We're running rough country stabilizer, rough country sway bars. We're running Bilstein 5100 series monotube shocks. We're running 6-inch Rubicon Express springs. So we have a Trail-Logic 3-link as well, which is running all Heims. And for our brakes, we have the upgraded Power Stop brakes, which the drilled and slotted rotors, the Power Stop calipers, and then the Power Stop brake pads. They do actually really good with stopping the Jeep. For tires, we're running 35-inch Milestar Patagonias, and for wheels, we are running 15 by 8-inch Pro Comp 51 series, just a standard black steel wheel. For fenders, we are running the Bushwhacker flat flares. I absolutely love them. I love the way it looks. Alright, so onto the back now. We are running the Smitty built tire carrier and rear bumper combo. It's done pretty good, holding up pretty well to the 35-inch tire, as it is a lot of weight, but it's doing pretty good. We have a high lift jack mounted to the back of it, along with a 5-gallon jerry can mounted as well. And we have our 2 D-rings on the back from Gear America. They're like the 60,000 Breakpoint, pretty strong D-ring shackles. So for rear leafs, we're running Rubicon Express leafs as well. They're 4.5-inch leaf packs with an inch shackle. For drive shaft, we are running an Adams drive shaft in the rear, and then just a stock front drive shaft for now. Also, while we're looking underneath the Jeep, we have a Flowmaster 44 series exhaust with a pre-axle dump. For axles, I am running a high pinion Dana 30 up front and a Chrysler 8 1/4 in the rear. And I'm still on stock gears, but that is soon to change. Also, we have underneath the Jeep, we have 12 LED Mercy white rock lights, and it absolutely lights up the ground. Alright, so that pretty much sums up the whole walk around of the outside. If you're interested in seeing the interior, I got some changes, nothing too crazy, but if you'd like to see it, let us know. But that pretty much sums up the walk around. But for future plans, we have a couple that I would like to do in the near future, which includes the 2x5 or 2x4 rectangular box tubing for the rockers to create, replace your rockers, and also create rock sliders. And as well, I have a Ford 8.8 rear end that I am currently, for a while now actually, I have been getting ready to put in the back of this Jeep. So that should be coming soon. If I get on it, we'll obviously record that for you guys. That does it for this week's video with the walk around of my Jeep Cherokee XJ. If you enjoyed watching this, please give it a thumbs up. While you're there, also hit that subscribe button, and we look forward to seeing you next video.